Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to do a series of Disney princess inspired looks, so today we're starting off with a Little Mermaid inspired look. I'm just starting off by priming the lid with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer and then setting that with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder. Going into the crease with the shade Creamsicle from the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette on an M332 brush, and then just making sure that we blend that out really nicely before we go in with our next shade that we have here, which is the shade Love That from the Morphe James Charles palette. Going in with the same brush that we used for Love That, which is the Morphe M200 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Single, also from the Morphe James Charles palette, and then packing that into the crease. Now taking a Morphe M420 brush, I'm taking the shade Escape and packing that onto the outer corner, and then grabbing that M200 brush again and blending that into the crease some. Going back to the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I'm picking up the shade Jada on an M208 brush and packing that onto the lid and taking it towards the inner corner, and then now going back with the shade Escape into the outer corner and alternating between that and Jada just to really make a nice seamless look. Going up to the brow bone again here, we kind of lost that original shadow that we put down, Creamsicle, so I'm just adding Creamsicle back up onto the brow bone with a M332 brush. And then going down to the lower lash line now, I'm taking Escape from the James Charles palette on a flat detailed brush and then smoking out that color with the shade Love That, also from the James Charles palette. So now that the shade is almost complete, I'm taking the shade Pool Party from the Jaclyn Hill palette and adding a little shimmer onto the inner corner. So now we're just going up to the lash line and popping on some eyeliner, and then tying in the look on the bottom also. Going on to the inner corner here, I'm picking up the shade Jada from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to tie in the color onto the lower lash line. And then going up to the brow bone for a highlight, I'm taking the shade VIP from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. And just to finish up the look, we're gonna pop on some lashes, and that's a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.